Hello friends, Debbie Taylor here, Managing Partner and Chief Tech Strategist of Carson Wealth. And I'm here to talk to you a little bit about the markets and some recent events. So after 3 years of extraordinary market gains in the S&P 500 index of 24%, then 23%, and then 16% positive each year for the last 3 years, the market is off to a little bit of a slowish start in 2026. This was not a surprise to me or particularly concerning because markets do need to take a little bit of a breather, which is what we were doing. Now enter in the bombing in Iran, which is surely distressing on a lot of levels. So we consider that a geopolitical event. And so let's look at how the markets have responded to geopolitical events. Since 1973, all the way to 2025, there's been roughly about 15 geopolitical events according to JP Chase. And what we see is the median duration of the sell-off is about 11 days. That's the median. The size of the sell-off is minus 5.3%, the median. And the duration to recover back to that prior level before the geopolitical event, was a median of 12 days, which is basically 2.5 weeks. And what I'm trying to say then is geopolitical events, although they are disturbing and although they take up all of the news headlines, at the end of the day, the market has generally done a very good job of moving past and through geopolitical events. And yes, there are outliers like the oil embargo in 1973, which went on for 1,500 days. So that is on the very long end. But what you see is most of these geopolitical events, the recovery takes 5 days, 2 days, 8 days, 6 days, right? And that's why the median is 12 days to recover, which is very strong and gives hope. For those of you tempted to step out of the market, remember that when you miss the best 10 days of the market, you almost cut your returns in half when you're looking at the last 20 years, according to JP Chase. Your returns go from 11% when you're staying fully invested to 6.6% a year over that 20-year period. And so lots of reasons to stay invested, to keep the faith, and make sure that your asset allocation strategy is allowed to work for you. If you have any questions, feel free to call us. We're here for you. And thank you, and stay safe.